Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bamboo, subscribe, share me to mana on Sakabi. That Lumba starting in yum to only a branch back on the start here. Nenes nana Acheampon I na no mabo I know sim gidi. One so abobo nyumebre. Na ni way muna in some baby by name crash on the neck and all that, but you know, Chenia channel, ya who so many no me back home. Na no na ye bisa nana and Acheampon say eh fan na wushia Lumba. Yanko teen your kind.
Incidentally, be a mama pa. If you are me team, no me trying to short. Okay. If you are me team, I know also better until flat was wrong.
Okay.
Na ye nimi yamu. Enti me taka ni baby bebre busa me sa question say. Me wo former say ye adwuma no edu baby abeka say o yare kakra. But to nwom sa na ye noise wo fie o rehearse. Ti me ye me niema wo former me te say boy bi so tiatin mu osoro. Until your honor ne status neighbors here start picking contact. Tinache say ni wo mi mu no enu abi ne woni mu ne me pese me ye enu abi no pese wo ye na ye mi enu bia no bia en record order na me bo abrofo ban bi wo ekuro no so ento no be renti edan e wo me fie ho no no na ya start ye namfo na nam chese me kura me bo group bi wo next town ano also cast ni na say otimi join yank be fine timi abrofo no kasa ya ni na obeka ya ho ho na ye start say ye music timi no ye bo live shows be brave or Germany part in between on yes try say ye create ni man ye dey say beko studio intino say ye say any dey bia na manfo kan nwa me na manfo tiemu frame ono a enye ono a bi frame we no hu say nye ono a na afi o ma me enti say minim say na nti eche ye ni nti o na mra na old time so na ye hairstyle ni na ya pro
ye be ne ka ho asemi
89 yeah
that was 89
yeah.
Okay.
Wa mo me there Acheampon na because yaka kwentuom nom ne ade is released in 89.
Okay.
90 you know it's long time pa some na carols no egugu yakwentu
that time no
yeah
na when this when mummy no when this hairstyle no mo shada say okay yin na enye jelly girls and as dey
ya na timi ye funny pa say kura na ye separate no mehunu matade bi a matopen a mehunu ni picture bi no watade ni mi bat bi a be 1 year kura na mehunu ye kasa de any hairstyle no be he ni bi a mako twa ma hakakra ohun mi o ni abon be ba bontin na ono so de ye sa ye plan ba say ye feeling no ese ye ni ma bi sese
it mo starting na munim say mo ye enyom as groups and answer mo another there's no plan you're just trying to do something
na plan wo ho kire say ye nyina ye nim talent we ye mu ye studio kra record wo Germany ye brave pa but ade a nyame de asoma wo no ya na bibia ntimi nsi hu kwan bi bibie nkakra me hu broni bi ode be ko studio ene ade ma bibie kwan ntino ye dream ene ade a ye pese ye wo wi asenti kwan ni bie no na kire say ebie na egusu a
on say any ocean hip life artist I'm ranting on bana groups be aba falling out your 4x4 your prior your book back your VVIP more than that social media na strong internet within us na yes argument my kontoko my say mo fall out no and then come in here and then the money buyer will be decide to say yes solo
okay ye adwuma ye bo live band no ne abrofo na be say 10 years and sana ye record na in between no otu free
ewiase obi a wa hyase na de bia me ka say nipa na obeso wo nsam ede watwa resi no bi odu twa wi obaye wo tamfo ba ma wo remfinida because that time no when so wo nsam aka resi na ka se wo gina baby a wama yakun ye de wa ye ne abeye ni oso wo nsa de wutwa resi no wo de wutwa wi ma remfi Lumba oti ase no okan bibi o se eye media na hype se oni Ernest na Acheampon e wo asem bo mu ni asem o se ye ma ye namfo se me wo Germany na Acheampon ba obaga na obesra me na ye mi nua prekope sebe enye wo maame ana papa ba no yo nua but obi a obetimi aka wa bom na sebe yetwa epopkokon no maame ka bibi nchiro edo brebi a nyankopon ni nkofo mienu ba together for a reason because tax na wo hon esonodo nipa ba ko ntimi nye the beginning of Lumba na enye nipa ba ko no betimi aye enti yenko ti another part sebe no ni Lumba ebo show ni ehu se omo ye ba ko
ene me be mamu history ba ko ansana yakọ yen se mo me bebre nemom de ntia ene me ne na ne gina ha ne se ebra me ko Germany foforo no na kwadwofosu de me ya ne se na me to gospel enko a enti nipa o introduce me ema me de ba high life mo ona ene o gina me nse nifa ha Nana Acheampon, mumom sem kese mano. Se ne mi yeda di Lumba. Abna ne free sa papa we. Your friend Nana Acheampon. Yaba, e dey na grofo ki kan water.
Maso ano maje so amaye monyeso kusiasa wasi ya kabesio this is the name baby ya kabesio Acheampon, yeah, bless you. I put your money, Messi, yeah, bless you. Running Lumba, yeah, bless you. That year, Christani Bay, yeah, bless you. Nana, yeah, bless you. Put your money, Messi, yeah. I went to fire the ago. The Akuko who be Daniel, and the Ahu because the media know it was soon yourself and this year. Oh, yes, you can number, and I am a worker to you. Just him. A brother of Pussy, yeah, God you. Honorable, oh, yeah, God you. On the region that's here, yeah, God you. Honorable, see, yeah, God you. Mama said, my honorable Cocofu. Yeah, no more or bow beats. Now your boy in now. Mama, no power. Woo! Lumba ni kwa masemi. Dia bon fonti. Dia ra wa ka kwati up. I could be my CEO. I can't do for you, bro. But you made it, dear. Sue me, I did a homo. Sometimes come to me, I come out for you. Show them one up on me. The bomb runs on me one woe. See me, baby. Share me, you'll be my CEO. Oh, woo! And come on, TV, I see. I can't see you. Come on, Kenny. Yeah, God bless you. Woo! Yeah, God bless you. Yeah, God bless you. Hey, Momo was some Casimon and Acheampon. Momo was some mano.
I share Sanya Fair, Daddy Lumba and Acheampon, two of the greatest musicians from Ghana. Oh, my boy, you man. Now who say, but what do you mean? Can be venture? Ediano. Sometimes ebenya ehia nipa mienu but enyi wi a Again is so great to say so be a funny point. Allowed. Mama Cham Bibi Kaka, Michael Jackson, or starting with the brothers. They do baby no. Ne start ne outshining so much say. Ne say people don't understand when you want to go solo. A part of the process. Some process in the Jamaica say, I have made you grow. It is a Lot and Abraham. Or set you up at a place. They do baby no. Nyame sure man can say na then a bros into a lot of fun baby na Abraham. So separation is not bad. But has to be done well. Nipa bako wa Lumba nyumo Ghana. We appear to see wa. Lumba was wa nyumo bro Germany. Budo Steiger. Sana ne friend engineer. Kaywa wa Lumba nyumo bro. Na I say no more you have one full album po. And a Lumba a cornechi. You could see no sooner.
Okay. Kaywa, I think say information I mean Sakaya and it say now only that the Lumba goes to studio mo year projects be who ejuma Mr. Wa it is kakra boy mu kakra.
Yes, I know correct. Na yeah recorded a project started it was very 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 for me it's one of the production and Lumba, may he so rest in peace, was willing to invest a lot of his time, his finance, everything in that project because right from go, he just knew that this is a big project for him. And we had been doing that,
Okay. Na sa project we na just a single and I say na album and now because you said that Lumba under his belt or 33 albums. He's yet to release the 34th. And no na mo ye ho adwuma na.
Exactly. It was the 34th one we're doing. On that part, this particular 34th, no 7 songs. But we're aiming at doing about 14 songs. Now, we'll put it together, But in the quest of doing it, we say, really the singles being, whilst we put together the album, because Lumba would always want to finish his entire production. We're releasing a single on that album. But where the Ebenene Kasai and I don't see I think it's not a bad idea. And the plan was to release a single whilst we put together the entire, album.
Okay, into single no when you release it cry and asa asemi abe.
There be a release cry, and I yati asema embassy.
Wow. And Sisi, what will then happen to the project? Is it still ABR? I don't know. And Shashayana to saying, Yeni Abusian Bashani, Ashesi able to me a release and now see a big jana. What is it going to be?
Well, that entirely lies with the family. So do some way not.
Kaywa no boom. One of the best engineers in Ghana. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. This man, he's not only a sound engineer, he's also a spiritual person. I say Lumba na menen was studio near record where you see Lumba, he worked on Juma till his death. Nani po ba kwa Lumba kani Yesu Kristo ankasa. Yesu Kristo Juma till ye no. Okay, the Garden of Gethsemane. Ye chobi aso no fire no sanitary na Yesu Juma. Even at his death. No, Juma. I say, Father, forgive them. When you foot to the mom say, sometimes your passion can lead you to death, but it's a good death. What you say, Michael Jackson? He died in the course of his work. It's a good. It means that when we a Jumano na auto soon and you say, yeah, what to say, Jai. Lumba 34 albums, and yet mean achievement. What win him no, and you back brown brass and ultimate, and yet easy. Today, we are celebrating the life of a legend, Lumba, Charles Kwajofosu. Obia, me, I know, say Ghana can never replace because he is one of a kind. Mrs. Mike Jackson saying that, no, tree casa no the saying no, because Lumba was an extraordinary figure. I Xposed UHFM member subscribe share with the 2 man outside can be manual.